Hey guys, I don't know how I'm going to put these video clips together, but me and Zara and Abby are on a bike trip and they've just gone into a field with birds. So. Oh my god! We're not like trespassing, I thought we were, but Zara says it's fine. Hi. Hello.
I'm doing a panel.
Ooh, panorama, so cool. She's running. Why is she running? I don't know. I feel like skipping and like running for the fields. You feel the same way, Abby? Yeah! Yeah, we should. That little green bit there. Green bit is yellow. Go! Where's Zara? Zara! Running shots, I'm sure they're great. Oh, flies everywhere. Oh, let's not go too far then. We've abandoned our bikes, I'm sure it's very bad. It was raining like 2 hours ago. I feel my legs are all dry now. To the bird watching bit we go. Goodbye, Abby. This is well creepy. It's pretty bad. Oh, there we go. Oh, look how pretty that is. Back we go. Yeah.
Stop. Why do we have such a hard impression?
Do we just Abby?
Abby. I didn't get the whole word.
German dudes.
Hello.
If you're watching.
I know German.
Dankeschön. I don't know German. I don't even know what that means.
Thank you.
It's like gluten tag or something.
Gluten tag.
Gluten tag.
Guten Tag.
This is why I drop languages.
Does it matter that we left it open? Oh look, it's behind the scenes of a selfie.
Yay!
Yay! Thumbnail. That's a thumbnail if Abby got in.
Hey.
Hey. She's still going. Run, Zara, run! Yeah. It's like a bird. I'm like a bird, never fly away.
And then there's just
Shall we? Welcome to my crib.
welcome to my crib. 10 cribs. See that 10 we were just in? That's my bedroom.
People are gonna believe that. Oh no, I didn't get it! Do it again! Wait, why would it? Oh.
See where she said.
You can I didn't get that, I just got you from it. You seem fine.
I'm injured.
Okay, bye.
Do you feel like David Attenborough, Zara?
We are watching the birds on our bike trip. We can hear their mating call. I can't use my left hand, so I don't know if I'm in the shot. Hello. Woo! 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 Hey, Abby. Hey, Abby. Twerk that, Abby. Hey. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? It's my attempt to vlog cycling. Not going very well. She'll be a great camera person, you know. Look how pretty it looks. Oh, this isn't safe. This isn't. Thank you guys for watching this really short, weird vlog. I hope you liked it. Give it a like if you liked. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And we'll end this with a dance. What is this? I don't care. Thanks for watching. Bye.